Well, today's video is all about a new handbag that I just recently got. If you watched my Vlogmas day 1, then I already did a little unboxing on it, but I just got this baby and it was so hard to get, you guys. I'm gonna go through all of the information on how I was able to get this bag, what fits inside of it. I'm actually switching out everything from my old purse into this one. So like I said, I already did a little unboxing of it, but I'm just going to open it up and show you guys. You get a little dust bag that all Louis Vuitton handbags come with. Just gonna open it up. And here she is. This is the Nano Speedy in the monogram print. And it is small, but I love smaller handbags because I switch mine out all the time. So I have been eyeing this little guy for over a year now. And of course, I don't know why, I love all the Louis Vuittons that are just super rare, hard to find, always sold out. It almost makes me want them more because I can't get them that easily. So yeah, this has taken me over a year to finally get. I almost pulled the trigger and bought a fake one, but it was like 350 bucks and I was like, ugh, I'll just wait it out. So the Nano Speedy retails for $1,180 US dollars. And I have watched countless YouTube videos on this particular bag because before I buy any handbag, I always do my research on it, especially one that is this pricey. So I hope this video will help anybody else out that is interested in this and how I got it. I'm gonna give you guys all the tea. So I hope if you guys really want this bag that you can get it too. It is not impossible to get. I have done another video, I will link it on top right here, about how to get your hands on rare, hard to find, sold out Louis Vuittons. And I did the same method that I made a video on, so make sure to watch that. And unfortunately, I have never seen the Nano Speedy become available on the website, like ever. So I live fairly close to a Louis Vuitton, probably like 20 minutes away. And I made friends with one of the employees, one of the client advisors there, and I just told her how much I want this bag, and she told me that I can text her whenever I want and she'll check for me, and I literally bugged her so much. I was like, girl, I'm gonna bug you, so I hope you don't mind. And she's like, I don't mind. And she totally came through for me the other day. She's all like, we have one, I will hold it for you. I was freaking out. I went with absolutely no makeup on. I don't even think I brushed my teeth because it was early in the morning, and I went over there and got this baby and I couldn't be more happy. I haven't used it yet. It's been about like a week and a half since I got her, and she's beautiful. She's everything I imagined her to be. It is just so beautiful in person. I've never actually seen the Nano Speedy in person except for the day that I bought it, and it's everything and more that I thought it would be. There is a strap that does not detach from it. I just tucked it in the bag to store it better. And then there are these two little straps right here, but mostly I'll be using this strap for just wearing it over my shoulder or as a crossbody bag. Let's get into what actually fits inside of this Nano Speedy. Okay, so I literally took everything out of the bag that I was using to see if it'll fit in here. So let's go ahead and see. So I'm gonna start with the biggest item, and this is my Rare Beauty blotting sheets. I have oily skin, so this is definitely a must, and I like the compact. So that fits in there. And then my wallet, I have this reverse monogram card holder. My key pouch, and it has my car key and my house key in there. Cash. And then I have a bunch of lip products. This is the lip I'm wearing right now. I always have chapstick and then a couple other lip options. And then I have a little sample size of the California Dreams perfume. I love this one. So I'm just gonna throw all these in here. And then a hair tie. I always have to have a hair tie. My AirPods. Hand sanitizer. Sunglasses, and then it's getting pretty full in there. And then I have my cell phone, this one. Okay, let me do my cell phone first. It's kind of a tight squeeze. I don't know if the phone's fitting, you guys. Might have to do some rearranging. Okay. Cell phone is in, hand sanitizer, my sunglasses, and then my tripod. Take this part off. Maybe it'll fit. No, the tripod's not fitting, but the tripod I don't have all the time. So that's pretty much everything I had in my other bag. And it all fit in this guy. So really surprised that it fit everything. The phone was a little hard to get in, and I don't have a case on it. I bet with a case, it totally wouldn't fit. Let's see. Yeah, with a case, it's not fitting too well. So just FYI, maybe you won't have as much as I do. I feel like the Rare Beauty compact is taking up a lot of room, so let's try it without that with the case on the phone. Okay, yeah, without the Rare Beauty compact, it fits way better with the case on. So maybe when I use this bag, I'll just take the blotting sheets with me so I don't have this whole compact. And I also saw a video where someone used their mini pochette accessories and used it in the Nano Speedy. So I am just going to use this to hold all of my chapsticks, lipsticks, my perfume, my oil blotting sheets, just all the loose stuff. And see how this works in here. Okay, fit perfectly. And then I saw someone where they just used it as a divider. So I'm gonna put in my wallet, my key holder, hand sanitizer, my AirPods, my cell phone. Okay, cell phone with the case isn't working too well. Okay, cell phone without the case fits in there really nicely. Some cash. And then my sunglasses. Okay, sunglasses aren't, gotta do some rearranging. So everything that I had in my other bag fits in it, and then I just have my little pochette accessories in the middle to access all of my chapsticks and whatnot. I really like this inside of this bag. Just kind of like organizes it better. Okay, love it with that inside. So a lot really fits in this guy. I'm really surprised. And it's ready to go use. Okay, so that is everything that I can fit into the Nano Speedy, and I said it a couple times, but I am so surprised how much fits in this little guy. The only thing that I'm kind of bummed out about is how my cell phone is kind of a struggle to get in there. But then when I think about it, I rarely keep my phone inside of my bag when I'm out and about, because I'm usually doing stories, or I don't know, I just like to have it in my pocket or just easily accessible. And I have been thinking of getting the new iPhone, but the mini one, and this is gonna sound crazy, but only so it fits inside of all of my little handbags, but we'll see, we'll see. So I'm really stoked on this bag. I really hope this video helped you guys out if you were, one, trying to get your hands on it, and hopefully my tips and tricks will help you guys get one of these. And then second of all, I really hope it helped you if you do have this bag or you're thinking about getting it, and just seeing how much fits inside of it. And you can wear it. I didn't show you guys how you can wear it, so let me show you guys. So you can wear it over your shoulder like this, or you can wear it as a crossbody, which I like crossbody bags. And I'm 5'7" for reference, so it hits right at my hip. I feel like this is the perfect height for this bag. So yeah, I am obsessed, you guys. That's gonna wrap up this video on the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. I really hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
Thank you.